Alright, suppose I wanted to make a box and whisker plot of that same data that we put in there. And this is the data of the commuters in Dallas. So it's in L1, list number 1. There's 60 commuters. To make a box and whisker plot, since I've already got this data in there, and I'm just going to go ahead and use the same window for it, because really we're only concerned about the x-axis, and 0.5 to 50 covers all my data. It goes from 1 to 47. Okay, so we would just go up here to stat plot. In fact, I'll show it right above the histogram so you can compare it and look at how a skewed box and whisker plot looks. So let's go into plot 2 and we'll turn that on. Now there's actually 2 box and whisker plots. One of them, I don't know if you can see it. Well, I've got the cursor blinking on it. This one here just shows the low value, Q1, the median, Q3, and the high value. Okay, and that's your standard 5-number summary of all your data, where I'll show you how to get that too. This one here shows outliers. Okay, that's what those little dots are. So we can go ahead and choose either one. I'll choose this one. Okay, enter my data is in L1, and we'll plot that in red. So there's box and whisker plot. If I want to get it off the top of that histogram, and I can extend the y-axis just a hair. Let's try that. Okay, so it's a little bit higher, but you can see it also goes from 1 up to 47. There is an outlier here. If I trace that, so my minimum value is 1. My Q1 is 19. Median is 15 miles, which lies in this second box here. Q3 is 24. Remember, from here to here, my middle 50% of my values is called the interquartile range. Well, an outlier is defined as Q3 plus 1.5 IQR times the IQR, which is the interquartile range. So in this case, my interquartile range is 24 minus Q1 is 9, so that's 15. My interquartile range is 15. Okay, and if I took 1.5 times that, that's 22.5. And I added it to 24, I would be at 46.5. And sure enough, there's one commuter that's at 47. So it's an outlier. Just inside that, the upper value of 46.5 would be the fence, what they call the fence. Okay, so that's a box and whisker plot of that commute